Zhejiang Sanle Plastic Company Limited is one of a leading manufacturer of plastic packaging solutions with a commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability. Our advanced manufacturing process allows us to create products with a wide range of raw materials, such as PE, PP, PS, PET, ABS, PMMA, and other new eco-PCR, PLA, biomaterials to ensure our products are durable, safe, and environmentally friendly. Our state-of-the-art facility spans 8,000 plus square meters, and our team of skilled workers use advanced manufacturing techniques, including injection, blowing, pressing, absorbing, printing, and labeling, to create innovative packaging solutions for our customers. To ensure the high quality of our products, we have established a modern quality management system that is in strict accordance with international standards. We have obtained ISO 9001, 14001 certificates, and BSCI audit, which attest to our commitment to quality and our ability to meet our clients' requirements. Our products are trusted and preferred by clients worldwide. We believe that development is based on innovation, and quality and credit are the most important aspects of our trade. Whether you're in the cosmetics, healthcare, food and beverage, or industrial sectors, Sanle Plastics has the expertise and resources to create customized packaging solutions that meet your unique needs. Contact us today to learn more and let us help you achieve your packaging goals.